Dating. The most frustrating topic for some people and the most fun topic to talk about for others. Whichever category you fit into, if you are in the dating scene, welcome to Datey.net. Datey.net is an AI-assisted dating site. Now, that doesn't mean you're talking to robots. What it means is that we're using AI technology to make sure you marry the right person. And for those of you in the dating scene right now, you probably know already that it's a nightmare. It's very hard to find people that are compatible with you. You can find everything in common, but compatibility is probably one of the main problems. Now, I am the one who built this site and programmed the AI to know how to make you and someone else, whether or not you're compatible. Now, why am I able to do this? Let me give you a bit of background about myself, and I think it will make perfect sense. So first of all, I've been married 3 times. Not once, not twice, 3 times. 2 out of those marriages were a complete failure and were doomed to failure even before I started dating. And the reason why is because I wasn't compatible with the 2 previous marriages. And it could have been identified early on when I was in the dating scene using dating sites. Had I known what I know today, I would have prevented myself from getting divorced twice, and also I would have married someone compatible with me. Now, you probably think this is something out of sci-fi, but I've written books on the topic to try and explain to people how they can make sure they marry the right person, somebody who simply meshes together with them because they are compatible. One of the books I wrote is this one over here. It's called 6 Billion People, But No One for Me. And it's just trying to explain that you can easily get married if you have the right mindset. Another book I've written is How to Judge a Shidduch by the Cover. And it's basically quite funny because what we're doing here is analyzing images to make sure that we get the information, the necessary information from the images to check compatibility. So the book number 1 is called Analyze Their Smile. So using somebody's smile, you can get a lot of information out of them, but only if you know how to read it. Read smile. So if you read my book, you'll be able to do this yourself. You won't need this kind of dating site. But since you're probably not going to read it, or you don't even need to read it, because at this point, you can just use this AI dating site to make sure that you marry someone compatible, and that when you turn up on that date, the person will actually be the type of person you're actually meshing with. And this is an unbelievable concept, in my opinion. I wish this was available when I was dating. So here we go. This is the site. Let me just log in just to show you an example use. I'm just going to create an account right now. To do that, I'm just going to click on the button on the top left of the screen and just type my name in here and then my email and my password. After that, I'm going to upload a dummy photo of a user, which I'll delete right after the example. I'm just going to upload a dummy photo of a user. This is not me, obviously, as you can see. And you can write one-liner about you. I love to have fun. And then you type the gender and your date of birth. Let me just put date of birth in here. I've just made that up. And it knows my age. And then your location. You don't require an exact location, but you should definitely click on the map somewhere just so that it knows what country you're from. You can also record a short voice, audio, intro about yourself up to 1 minute long. Once you've done that, you click save, and this is where the magic happens. When you click on process with AI, what happens is the AI will analyze your image and get some data out of your image. And then once you start searching, when you click this button down here, you will see who's compatible with you and who's not. Now, interestingly enough, nobody here is actually compatible with the guy in the photo. Now, the reason why this has happened, and I'll explain, is because the user was American, and the AI didn't know this, by the way. All the AI did was looked at the image of the person, and then it analyzed. You know what? This is crazy. I'm going to change the photo right now, and this is actually quite a good example. Just 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to use a real picture of me, and I just want to show you the difference, what happens when I change my photo. I want to explain something that this is basically quite awkward. If you think about it, I just showed you that there's literally no one compatible with this guy from this site right now. So just 1 second, it's uploading. Okay, so I've changed the photo to a photo of myself, and then I'm going to re-update this AI result based on my look. And so I've become more Israeli, so I'm much more suited to the Israeli type. So as you can see, what's happened now is I'm compatible with more or less everyone, all the women on the site. And this is absolutely unbelievable if you think about it, because it didn't use any of the information in the profile. All it used was the picture of myself. Now you can see I'm more compatible with some women and less compatible with others. So as you can see, the more the compatibility is the bigger this blue bar over here, the more compatible I am with the user. So as you can see, I'm less compatible with this user over here, and I'm much more compatible with this user, and less compatible with this one, and hardly compatible with this one. Meaning if I would marry this woman, I'd have a difficult time creating a good relationship. So as you can see, if you just change the photo, it simply gives you different results because it looks at who you are, which is an absolutely unbelievable concept. So this was daty.net. Let me just show you how it's spelt. It's spelt like this, daity.net. Give it a go if you're single. You will absolutely be shocked by the results. We're starting to get a big user base, and right now it's completely free. So I highly recommend you jump in while it's free to give it a go and see how much it knows about you. Thank you for watching. Oh, one more thing. There's going to be an online speed dating event coming up in the near future, which is basically based off the people on this site. So make sure you get in early so that you can do that as soon as it comes out and be notified about that. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.